Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Rubit Store is Nigeria's #1 online beauty store where you can shop thousands of beauty products, and the best part is we ship both wholesale and retail worldwide. Today, we are going to be doing a review on Bel Eclat Kenacol Serum for green veins. Bel Eclat Kenacol Oil is a reflective lighting and anti-aging solution that contains vitamin C, minerals, and green tea extract. This formula helps provides a number of benefits, including improvement and harmonization of the complexion. The new skincare formula is a beauty and health breakthrough. It contains natural ingredients that help to treat skin lesions as a result of bleaching cream. It is also suitable for green veins and stretch marks, as well as reducing swelling, redness, and itching of the skin. Generally, this oil is a great option for people who have skin problems that they want to address. Kenacol oil acts as a barrier for preventing skin damage. The beauty of Kenacol oil is that it reduces swelling, redness, and itching, as well as pimples, and gives you a flawless, toned complexion. Kenacol oil is also ideal for getting rid of unsightly green veins and stretch marks, reducing swelling, redness, and itch, that leaves you with a complexion that looks perfect. This is a highly powerful lighting treatment that you can add to your cream or lotion. It prevents all kinds of skin reactions from various creams. It clears up the skin, makes it glow, and protects against future discolorations. Thanks for watching, guys. You can follow us on Instagram at Rubit Store. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, leave a comment, and tell us what's on your mind. Don't forget to share this video also.